Hi, I'm Sharon Goschel, Director of Art Splash Studio Tour of Ocean Shores.
And I'm Tom Baker. I'm a wood turner. This is my first year to do the Art Splash Studio Tour, and I'm honored to be a part of it.
We would like to invite you to the event, which takes place on August the 13th and 14th, Saturday and Sunday, from 10 o'clock in the morning till 5 in the afternoon. The artists involved are 20, and there are 10 studio sites. There are a variety of art which consists of photography, collage, art, wood turning, glass fusion, oils, watercolor. The artists have spent months preparing for the tour, and this is your opportunity that you can come into their studios and see them working. You can see how they create their art. There will be demonstrations and artists in action. To obtain a brochure, which includes a map of all the sites, go to www.artsplashtour.org. The brochure will have pictures of the art, map of the sites, and other information. If you have further questions on the event, you can contact me at 360-591-5940. Hope to see you there.
And I will be demonstrating during the Art Splash Studio Tour, so I'm going to go over to my lathe right now and give you a sneak peek of what you can expect. With wood turning, safety is always the first concern, as with working with any power tools. So I wear this air shield helmet that provides air to me so I can breathe without breathing in dust, and also protects my face from flying wood chips. I'll adjust the speed of the lathe here. And we'll start making this into a true round. Now that we have it round, we'll start developing the shape for our bowl. So once we're developing the basic shape of the bowl, we'll finish that. I will create a tenon on the back of the bowl so that I can turn it around and mount it into this chuck so that I can hollow the front side of it. Once we're done with that, we'll be sanding the bowl and applying the final finish. Now I sand all the way to 3000 grit, so it's very smooth. And then I apply a museum quality wax to it that is food safe and that people can handle without leaving any fingerprints. And it turns into one of the beautiful pieces that you've seen already.